Okay, number 2 going in. Okay, that's it. It's got tighter now because it's got 4 pistons to pull round, but it's still turnable, so. Alright guys, that's it for me. Thanks for the sticker bike. Classic cruiser, check him out. Right, got the strainer put on. That's the strainer off of Mary's engine because the other one was all beat up where it's been sat in its sump. And I've got the sump out from under the bench. Look at this lovely stuff in here, 55-year-old sludge. Oh, lovely. Hey, look, oh, look at that. Oh, look. Lovely. Oh, what's that? What's that? Looks like some bits off the bench. So, clean up time. Make the engine a bit lighter anyway. Okay, stained but clean. I'm going to chuck this on now. Remember Pt4 talking about aftermarket stuff? This is my little problem. Got my gasket set for the bottom. That's the cork seal for in there. Now the right section is that section, which is side covers for the tappet covers. It's right that way, wrong that way. So I'm going to have to cut these, use these instead, because these are about as much good as an ashtray on a motorbike. Okay, last video of the day guys. Sump on, bottom end done. Thing is, we'll flip her over, make sure the cam timing's right, and put the head on. Watch some more YouTube. Cheers guys.